Welcome to San Sebastian, a city that truly has it all. Stunning beaches, world-class cuisine, and a rich tapestry of Basque culture that you'll feel in every corner. Nestled along Spain's northern coast, San Sebastian combines breathtaking natural beauty with an exciting urban vibe, making it a must-visit destination. From the golden sands of Concha Beach to the vibrant energy of the Old Town, this city offers endless experiences for every type of traveler. Whether you're here to wander through the charming cobblestone streets of Parvia, indulge in delicious pintxos at one of the city's many renowned bars, or simply relax and take in the sea views, San Sebastian has something special for everyone. And don't forget the epic scenery. You'll find yourself surrounded by lush hills, sparkling water, and stunning architecture everywhere you look. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 6 things you absolutely can't miss in this incredible coastal gem. Get ready to uncover the best sights, flavors, and hidden gems that make San Sebastian one of the most unforgettable destinations in Spain. So let's dive right in and explore the best of San Sebastian. Number 6. La Concha, San Sebastian's iconic beach and one of Europe's most beautiful urban coastlines. This stunning crescent of golden sand is flanked by the dramatic peaks of Monte Igueldo and Monte Igueldo, creating a breathtaking backdrop for a perfect day by the sea. With calm, crystal-clear waters, La Concha is ideal for swimming, sunbathing, or trying out some water sports. The scenic promenade invites you to take a leisurely stroll while soaking in the ocean views and San Sebastian's famous Belle Époque architecture. Alongside the beach, you'll find the historic La Perla Spa, pampering visitors for over a century, and the charming Alderdi Eder Gardens, with vibrant flower beds and sculptures. La Concha isn't just beautiful. It's where locals and visitors come together to enjoy the Basque sun, sea, and unbeatable atmosphere. Number 5. Parvia, San Sebastian's Old Town. A lively, historic neighborhood that truly captures the heart and soul of this coastal gem. Dating back to medieval times, Parvia is a charming maze of narrow streets, colorful buildings, and hidden plazas. One of its standout spots is Plaza de la Constitución, with its unique numbered balconies that once served as seating for bullfights and local festivals, a nod to the town's rich history and traditions. As you wander through the Old Town, you'll find boutique shops, craft stores, and vibrant squares buzzing with both locals and visitors. And of course, no visit to Parvia is complete without experiencing its famous culinary scene. Stop into one of the many pintxos bars to taste the incredible flavors of the Basque country. Parvia is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the culture, cuisine, and history that makes San Sebastian so unique. Number 4. Buen Cathedral. For those who love historic and religious architecture, San Sebastian's Buen Cathedral is a must-see. This breathtaking example of neo-Gothic design symbolizes the city's deep devotion and artistic heritage. Construction began in 1888 to accommodate San Sebastian's growing population. The cathedral's intricate design showcases classic neo-Gothic elements, ornate sculptures, soaring arches, and colorful stained glass that floods the interior with light. Inside, you'll also find an impressive organ that fills the cathedral with beautiful sound. To get the most out of your visit, take a guided tour to uncover the cathedral's fascinating history and details. And if you're lucky enough to visit during a concert or religious service, you're in for an unforgettable experience as the music resonates through this majestic space. Number 3. Peine del Viento. One of San Sebastian's most iconic sites is the Peine del Viento, or wind comb. Created by renowned Basque sculptor Eduardo Chillida, this unique installation is a seamless fusion of art and nature. Installed in 1976, the 3 massive steel sculptures are embedded in the rocks, facing the wild waves of the Bay of Biscay. As the sea crashes against them, the sculptures put on a mesmerizing show of spray and sound, showcasing the raw power of nature. You can follow a scenic promenade leading right up to the Peine del Viento, where you'll feel the full force of the ocean's energy and capture stunning photos. It's a place for photographers, artists, and anyone looking for a moment of reflection in San Sebastian's dramatic coastal landscape. Number 2. Catch a ferry to Isla de Santa Clara. During your visit to San Sebastian, consider taking a ferry to Isla de Santa Clara. Doing this will allow you to explore one of the Basque Coast's most stunning natural gems. Isla de Santa Clara is a small, uninhabited island in the Bay of San Sebastian, just off the city's shoreline. The ferry ride to the island usually departs from the port of San Sebastian and offers breathtaking views of the city's picturesque coastline. The journey only takes a few minutes, so it's an accessible activity for visitors of all ages. Once you arrive at Isla de Santa Clara, you'll find a peaceful paradise with a pristine beach, crystal clear waters, and no permanent structures. So it's a terrific place to go for a digital detox. Number 1. Pintos Crawl. No trip to San Sebastian is complete without diving into the Pintos experience, a culinary adventure unique to the Basque region. Pintxos, pronounced pintxos, are small, delicious bites that have become a cultural staple here. Believe it or not, pintxos originated in the 19th century as simple snacks placed on top of drinks to keep flies away. But over time, these humble bites transformed into an art form, with chefs crafting some of the most exquisite and creative flavor combinations. A Pintos Crawl takes you from bar to bar, savoring a different bite-sized treat at each stop. San Sebastian's Pintxos scene is legendary, offering everything from classic jamon serrano and creamy croquetas to inventive gourmet creations that will thrill any food lover. If you're a foodie, this is an absolute must-do in San Sebastian. So grab a plate, explore the city's bars, and taste your way through Basque culinary tradition.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.